We drove all the way to Bakersfield. Well, kinda, almost at Bakersfield. This is Arvin or Tejon Nike factory store where they got 30% off of a clearance apparel and 20% off clearance sneakers. If you're gonna raise the price, at least try to hide it. Damn. Oh, that's $89 there. What the hell? How is the extended size price cheaper than, or more expensive than the regular? What the hell? All right, this is the back wall right here. See what's going on in the men's section. At the malls, prices going down for back to school. Here at Nike Outlet, they're going up? I don't know, I haven't been to this one in forever. You got some Chinese New Year Jordan 1 lows with pretty cool hang tag right here, but definitely not worth $140, especially with that 20 off. Maybe with 30 off. $80 for these 312s. Well, Legacy 312s, here's a size 7, $55 for the undercover mocks. Air Max 90 golfs right here go for $80. And I see these bad boys right here. I've been waiting for these to hit the back wall. So it's $60, you do get that extra 20% off. That's another $12 off. So $48. 48 bucks. Do I look for size 12 or size 10.5? That's the question. Calm slides right here, $45. Checking out the 9s. Right now, $130 for the Air Max 1s. Pretty cool colorway. Aluminum foils. Been seeing these for years. I feel like 60 bucks. Air Max 90 Golf. Right here, 80 bucks. Oh, it's just the Gore-Tex. What about this one? What about this one? 80 bucks for this one as well. Moving over to the women's bigger sizes. I'm looking for some 10.5s. And this is the type of stuff I'm looking for right here. $75 for these bad boys. This is what I'm talking about. $75. Still not super great with 20% off. It's $15 off, so 60 bucks. That's actually not bad. Invincible Run Fly Knits right here for 60 bucks. I think the biggest one they have is a size 10, which is an 8.5 men's. Jordan 2s right here. It's been repriced like 17 times. $65. It's a little over 50 bucks. They got a size 10 as well. Did check the app. Size 10 women's biggest size. Got some trail shoes right here. Juniper Trails go for 70. J Forces down here, $70. Size 13s, $50 for these. And they do got plenty of these in smaller sizes, $60. I'm curious to see when they, or where they stopped extended size pricing. Let's see, what are these right here? Oh, so even the 9.5. Oh, that's the one I just saw. See, 8.5 not extended size price, so 110. Size 9 extended size price. So that drops down to like 75. That drops down to 60 after a discount. The app does show that they have one of these. Yeah, and a 9.5. I'm gonna see if someone I know needs one. She just ran a marathon, which is pretty dope. I don't know if I want to be able to run that much. I run like 4 miles at a time right now, but do I want to run that much? Not really. Not really. 130 for these. Yeah, so it seems like the 9 is the smallest size where they give you that extended size pricing. They didn't fit, right?
What?
They didn't fit, did they?
It was pretty light.
It's tight, right? Yeah, okay. I had him try the 8.5 men's. He has a size 9 at home, and he's gone through it because he runs for his swimming team. He's on like a swimming program, and he runs on the sand and stuff. So these are really beat up. I'm gonna wash them, but yeah, I was like, I wouldn't mind having a clean one. They don't have his size, unfortunately. Size 10 is the biggest one. 10.5 would have been perfect, especially for 60 bucks. Dang it. See what's going on over here. Sweatshirt, 57. It's extra small though. What the hell? There's so many extra smalls. 57 for this one. LeBron jacket, $58. They should have more Luka stuff. Come on, man. He just re-signed with the Lakers. They'll give us some more Luka merch, would be pretty dope. Got this hoodie right here, small 45. All kinds of t-shirts. I still don't understand this type of stuff right here. I don't know if you want them. They're $14. ACG Jacket right here. These are never cheap. $90. Normally $180, so guess that's a pretty solid deal, especially with 20% off on top. Another one of these LeBron jackets. Seen them in small, seen them in large, and they're all $58. Dodgers World Series t-shirt, $37 still. Damn. See a Tech fleece pants right here, $64. Oh, and you get 30% off apparel. I forgot, so that's not bad. Got the warm-up pants right here, $60. This is a medium. Fleece shorts, $35. That's a Jordan brand right there. This is also a Jordan brand. Has elastic on top, but I don't know, kind of feels interesting material. You know, what they're talking about, $39.97. Another Tech fleece. This one's an extra small though. Did this get extended size priced? $64. Nope. But most of the Tech fleece down. They got some regular fleece right here, $44. Check out the bigger sizes. Curious to see where they started extended size pricing. I see extended size prices right here, 55, 11 and a half. This one right here says 55 for the Pegasus Waves. That is a great tag. 11 and a half Air Max waffle right here, $60. Not seeing too many extended size priced items. LeBron's right here, $70. And a lot of the same. Holy cow, they got so many of these Pegasus Waves. Dick's Sporting Goods outlet had these for crazy cheap, $80 here. Size 12, 13, 14 right here. Not much, you guys, not much. Seeing a lot of the same stuff. And then like the only extended size stuff, look at this, $55 for free Metcons. Like nothing really good. Extended size price, nothing really good in general, to be really honest. All right, do got a couple more clearance racks right here in the men's. Got some shorts. Damn, dude, I know like shorts are a thing, but damn, dude, damn, dog. Fleece going for 40. Some swimming pants right here. Swimming trunks, is that what they call it? $28. A lot of swimming gear, it looks like. Swimming and running. Running shorts right here, $30. Swimming trunks right here. What? Oh, I just saw a tag. What they're talking about? $20 for those. And they got these in a bunch of sizes. All right, on this one, it looks like mostly t-shirts. Mostly t-shirts. All right, we're not missing out on much over here. Do got Tech fleece, but Tech fleece back to regular price? Or outlet price, but not any extra. Oh, regular price. Wow, what the hell? All right, let's knock out the aisles where they're gonna have a ton of Jordan 4 RMs. It's the first one right here. Well, they're not gonna have them today, but they will have them eventually because they released so many of those Jordan 1 low SEs. Oh, so these are SEs. We've been seeing these black toes right here, but it is a nubuck. Low SEs, regulars, mids, mid SEs. I got a couple of non-signatures, another 4 right here. I do got 11 low Chinese New Year right here, but oh, okay, it's going for decent price. I thought it was retail. Anything under retail, that's what's up. Got some airships back here. Got some next gens. Got some Nike or budget Nike basketball, and then also got some LeBrons right here. Flight Legacies, 2 different colorways. Got 4 different dunks right here. Some of them SE, some of them retros, and some you're just tired of seeing. Then got the Omnipresent Forces. Trainer lows right here, going down in price. Wow. And then Pegasus 2005's got quite a few of those. Then got another couple of Forces. They didn't want to put it on one shot. What the hell's going on here? Got some 2017s. Of course, plenty of 270s, Air Max DNs, Metcon 8s. Then always seem to have a few of these free Metcons. These are the 5s. P6000, Air Max 90s. And that's about it. No real quality running shoes, except in the women's section over there. And they got backpacks, 25% off backpacks. Kind of the budget ones. I kind of wish I could find one of these for cheap. I feel like I'm in high school. I'm looking for Nike Elite backpacks. I just want to be able to put a ball in a backpack and There aren't that many Nike ones. $60 right here, so 25 off, so $45. They got these budget ones, $45 for these, 25 off. All right, moving on to the women's clearance section right here. I think I'm gonna have to go in a few minutes. $80 Pegasus Trails right here. Infinity Runs, $130. We saw that earlier. Dunks right here, $96. But look, seeing a lot of the same stuff over and over. Got some free runs right here, free run Flyknits going for $60, but look, a lot of the same stuff. Air Max 1s, $75. All right, we're gonna check out the women's aisles. We're gonna head out because I'm kind of on a schedule. They always got blazers. Got some Dunks in 4 or 5 different colorways. Rose Whisper, got the pandas. Romero 5s, a couple different colorways. Listen to some of the kids. Kids still like the Dunks. They still like the Dunks. Air Max 270s. Did I show these DNs? I don't know. And the V2Ks? Oh, the P6000s. That confused me right there. Then the Cortez. And that's pretty much about it. I'm kind of in a hurry. 6:30. I think I have to be somewhere in 30 minutes. We got some grade school Vomeros right here, pretty decent price. But yeah, I think I've come here like, this is only the second time I've come here this entire year. Not great, but not bad. Still got deals. The Invincible Run, still not bad. So yeah, it might be worth a look if you happen to be driving by. Shoot, I forgot to show you guys why we came to Bakersfield. We're at Kevin Harvick's Raceway. Kevin Harvick's Current Raceway, yeah, that's where we're at. Came here to watch some racing. This is the figure 8 racing.
Yeah, actually might hurt Austin.
They got a couple other events that are pretty fun after this. Then stock car racing. One of the lower level ones. These aren't as loud, they're not as fast.
Huddleston gonna go way wide.
Huddleston gonna get him?
Fight back on the inside.
A V5, is V5 gonna do it? Oh, they're good.
Thank you.
Now we're watching some skid plate racing, where they're pretty much just driving on 2 wheels.
Cheryl Island is the number 3.
Oh, she smashed it. Look at that.
Which looks to be Robert Wright's fire suit.
Back wheels not moving, just front wheels. They have no back wheels.
Now these cars, gravity is not their friend. Because the faster you go, the harder you spin.
That one's having a tough time going.
To keep your control. If you spin out, you will likely lose a half a lap. So the more you spin,
lap somebody. Damn. Now they're doing, what the hell do they call this? Dragon boat racing? I never heard them refer to that as this.
And we're dragging boats into each other.
What the hell? I don't know, but didn't they refer to this?
And the chaos and carnage begins.
Trailer racing? That's usually what they call it.
And you keep watching, everybody. Daniel Oswalin at the 73. Tony in the
That was a nice one.
There's our ramp. Oh my God, where is my camera? I'm sure of it. Big air, big destruction. The birds are leaving. They're out. Robert Wright in the second. The 176.
Any girls right there?
And the number 5.
Oh, that one was dope. That was so dope.
In the 16. Okay, where did you get this one?
Oh, dang. Now that was stuck.
You watch your mouth.
Oh, I missed that one. That one was nice.
And Ryder Gardner in the 76.
Yeah, but this is Kevin Harvick's Current Raceway. Pretty fun spot. Got some fireworks in a few minutes, and we'll make our way back to LA.